Are we on? Yeah, we're on. So what's up, guys? It's been long overdue, and in my last werewolf video, a lot of you guys seem to like this particular werewolf. And I wanted to go over it, and explain how I made it. I mean, the paint is pretty much your choice, but this is made out of a custom head sold by my buddy Paul Customs, and I forget I think the artist that actually sculpted the head, his name is 3D of Sands. I'm pretty confident about that. And yeah, this is it. So this is a MCU Venom, and I just completely overpainted this with like a dark gray and black, and I didn't do any altering. I just completely repainted the body, painted the nails, and I painted the head. Now, the head was 3D casted by Paul's Customs. You can go to his website, which is, I believe, paulcustoms.com. I'm going to link it in the description so you can go there and see his inventory. And you can also follow him on Instagram, or you can follow me on Instagram, and I can send you to the right place. I'll link all his stuff down below. But yeah, I think this is a pretty cool werewolf. Now, when it comes to these supernatural beasts, I really do like this Venom Body. And as you can see on what I call my Vampire Lord, it's also a good fit. Now, this was made by another artist. His name escapes me at the moment. Yeah, I can't even. He's also on Instagram. I'm gonna try to tag him in the description down below. But this was designed to be a werewolf head, but I took the liberty of making it a vampire. It kind of, if you've ever played Skyrim, for me, this is what I was trying to replicate. I love the lore of vampires and werewolves and all supernatural beasts, Frankenstein, you name it, I love all that stuff. So this is why I made these things. So, I also wanted to take this opportunity. I know this was like a bum review. I'm not really a reviewer, guys. I just like showing you guys what I make, and also here to encourage you to make your own, because it's super easy. Doesn't take a tremendous amount of talent, just some patience, vision, and just a straightforward attitude that you can do whatever you set out to do. And that's what art really is expressing yourself through your visions. Now, I have been working on something. Well, I've been working on something since last night, and I didn't finish it today, but I'm in the process of finishing it. So I bought this kit from an artist it's a 3D artist. His name is Art of Sebadam. You can forgive me if I said that wrong. But this is a werewolf. I'm gonna have to. There we go. This is a werewolf I've been working on since last night. I have other projects that I've been working on, and it's been kind of taking me away from the art I actually am known for, and the art that I actually like doing. If you know me, and you know that my artist style, I have more of this, whatever this is called, this is my style. I like to replicate like old school Toy Biz and their dirty, gritty looking art. But this is actually made from a, if I'm not mistaken, it's called Armageddy's Mythic Legion. And what this does is, you can go to this website called Planetary Dog Toys, and what they do is they sell these kits that you kind of mix match the body with. Now this isn't totally done because I after priming it and working on this kit, I noticed that I have 2 left legs. You can tell by the toe here, they're in the same spot. And if you ever have, you don't need to be a werewolf to know that having 2 of the same anything on a limb is not a good sign. So I've reached out to their customer support. Hopefully I hear back from them soon. And I've been working on this since last night. This was it was fun because this is something I'm more so inclined on doing as far as my style of art. Now, getting this to like kind of, putting this together and stuff, it wasn't difficult, but it does take a little bit of understanding on how limbs work and stuff. This is super easy. You kind of just pull apart the stuff, you heat it up, and it's, like I said, it's a Mythic Legion's Armageddy's, which is like a giant like troll Cyclops type thing, and he has like, it's a Cyclops, so he has 1 eye. Anyways, I took that apart and I repainted everything, and the kit consists, I'm gonna add some photos between now and then. Somewhere in this video I'm gonna add some photos to show you the kind of process that I went through and all the pieces that it came in to put this all together. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of show you guys how awesome this werewolf is. This is probably my biggest werewolf to date. If you guys have an MCU Venom lying around, like, dude, check out, this is how tall this is compared to this. And that's it, guys. If you want to see more of my stuff, I'm going to be posting this very soon on Instagram. So by the time you're watching this video, it'll probably already be up there. And I haven't posted anything on there for so long because life gets in the way, guys. I don't know how else to explain it. And then working on projects in more so, I'm going to call it the dark, which is just off the internet. And I've been doing things for other people. And but more importantly, just life got in the way, and here I am. This is something that kind of revived the spark within me to actually start working on this stuff again, because for a while now, it's been feeling like everything figure related for me has been feeling like a chore, and I was kind of getting burnt out. But I really like how this came out, and I'm really hoping that he gets back to me on that leg. And that's it. I just kind of wanted to show you guys this cool little dial setup. I just bought it from Macari. He has a the person I bought it from has a very interesting name. I think it was called Bada Boom Customs or something like that. I have no idea. But this is a pretty cool dial. And that's it, guys. If you have any questions, you hit me up down below. This is not for sale. I've pumped maybe $300 into this because the Armageddy's was like $80 and the kit itself is like $225. So no, this is not for sale. But I can show you where to get it, and good luck on anything else that you need as far as getting this together. And if you have any questions, like again, which this video is mainly about him because I got a lot of questions about him. I'm going to put the link in the description to my buddy Paul's website, so you could technically buy your own werewolf head and kind of make your own. And then all you need is a MCU Venom, the one that came out last year, and you can make your own. Alrighty, guys. Peace out.